Hello once again and thank you for enrolling to my course. I truly hope that you will learn a lot while we build this application together. As you already know, we will build COVID-19 tracker application through this course. We won't do all of this in this part, but the whole course is also part of a bigger series which takes, 3 parts. And at the end of the whole course, you will have your own COVID-19 tracker application built and deployed with the real data. Talking about that data, we will work with the summary of COVID-19 data, we will also work with the country-specific data, and even the current live data. Now that you know that this here is the first part of this mini-series, what will we do in this part? We will start with basics, like installing Angular and creating the application. We will also learn how modules work and components, how can we set up shared module and shared components. Next to that, we will install some of the third-party packages that we need and create our layout, which will hold our sidebar, top bar, and that main dashboard section. After that, we will learn about Angular routing and how can you set up your lazy loading for your routes. And finally, we will work a bit with the API, pull our data and create the content that should present that data. Now, I don't wish to take much more of your time, so let's just start. First of all, let's install Angular.